The story of Princess Eggplant. There was a magical kingdom called Sabzi Nagar, where all the vegetables talked, laughed, and played just like humans. In this kingdom lived a very cute, round, and shiny Princess Eggplant. Her color was a deep purple, and a small silver crown always sparkled on her head. Princess Eggplant was very kind-hearted, but she loved making playful mischief. Every morning when she wandered in the garden, she enjoyed making Tomato laugh, tickling Potato, and playing hide-and-seek with the Pea sisters. One day, a great trouble fell upon Sabzi Nagar. From deep inside the forest, the bitter cucumber giant appeared and started ruining the kingdom's weather with his bitterness. The trees began to dry up, and the river water started to decrease. All the vegetables became frightened and hid inside their homes. But Princess Eggplant did not lose courage. She picked up her magical purple wand, gathered her brave companions, Prince Tomato, Soldier Potato, and the Pea sisters, and set out to face the bitter cucumber giant. When they reached the forest, they saw the giant roaring in anger. The cucumber giant growled, "No one can stop my bitterness." Princess Eggplant gently replied, "If you live with Sabzi Nagar in harmony, we will all become your friends. Bitterness brings nothing, but love brings everything." The giant was stunned. No one had ever spoken to him with such kindness. His heart softened, and slowly he calmed down. He restored the river's flow, and the weather once again became pleasant. The king of Sabzi Nagar was overjoyed with Princess Eggplant's bravery. All the vegetables celebrated together, sang songs, danced, and declared Princess Eggplant the kindest and bravest princess in the kingdom. Thus, Princess Eggplant saved the entire